Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is creamy salmon and pea fusilli. This is a very easy and very tasty and very quick recipe to make for a dinner. A full list of ingredients can be found here on screen or down in the description box below. Sorry for my voice, I'm getting over a cold. The first thing you do is cook the pasta, and do that simply by following the instructions on the packet. Next thing you do is melt the butter in a suitably sized frying pan, and when it's nice and melted and hot, add the onions and saute off for at least 3 or 4 minutes. I think we should use penne for this recipe. And when the onions have had their 3 minutes of fame, add in the garlic and again mix in thoroughly.
What did you say?
I said we should use penne for this recipe. When the garlic has had a minute or two, it's time to add in the salmon and mix in well.
I like fusilli.
I don't care what you say, I'm going to use penne next time. The next thing into the pot is the peas.
What's the matter with you? Why do you keep banging on about penne?
I can't bloody spell fusilli. And then the creme fraiche. I just had a thought, this recipe is perfect for one of them weekday evening meals when you're in a rush to feed the kids or want to get to the pub. Delete is applicable. Then when you've mixed in the creme fraiche, add salt and pepper to taste, the half of the stock cube and a splash of water, about 150 ml should do it. Then when the salmon is 3/4 cooked, add the drained and cooked pasta to the pot and mix in well. Then when the salmon is 100% cooked and the pasta is piping hot, you're ready to serve. This is a truly tasty and easy to make dish. We do hope you give it a go sometime. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.